Welcome back to another video. In this video, we got to get this joint Melodyne. I like to use Melodyne and Metal-Tune. If you guys checked out my last video, I talked about why you should delete Auto-Tune, Waves Tune, and look no further, just get Metal-Tune. I'm gonna help you guys with the Melodyne. So what I'm gonna do first is, what you're gonna do first is subscribe to my channel. That's what you finna do. And then what you finna do is watch me do what I do. I've been getting a lot better with the Melodyne. I think in my first couple Melodyne videos that's been hitting, you guys been showing me love. I just showed you guys what I knew at the time. That was so long ago. I can't wait to show you guys what I've learned now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just turn off the Metal-Tune right now. I'm gonna leave the other plugins like EQ or whatever on, and then I'm gonna do the Melodyne, and then we're gonna add the Metal-Tune on afterwards. Appreciate you guys for watching. Let's get right into it. So I'm gonna play you guys. I just did a video. It's the same exact song. My new single, One More Chance, releasing December 1st. Check it out. Links are gonna be in the description. Let's hear it. Now, hold on. This is without the Metal-Tune also. Y'all judge me. Keep that same energy when it's fire.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All I need is one more chance.
All right, here we go. So again, the Metal-Tune's off. Here's how I get the Melodyne on there. Right click, edit with Melodyne. And I think this is Melodyne Essential. Okay, the Melodyne Essential is the full version one. This is Studio One 5 Professional I'm using. So once I get them on, as you can see, these notes are a little off, right? By a little off, let me zoom in. I'm gonna grab this. Zoom in. They're not on the gray. They're not on the lines where they should be. They're not snapped. So here's what I do. Now I'm using an Apple computer. So for PC, I want to say it might be option 2. It might be option, but here's option on here. So you're going to click which note that you want, and you're going to hold option and go up.
Whoa.
And you want to hit it right in the grass. So this is the manual way I do it. There's an automatic way where you could just click this and it'll center everything together, but I don't want to do that. You could also snap it to the chord. That was in that other video that I showed you guys. I've grown so much. Here we go.
Whoa.
And you'll see why I throw Metal-Tune on even after Melodyne.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Now this is as natural as it's gonna get. Now usually it's whatever one that you're closest to. So like, let me Control Z, like, or Command Z. It's closer to the, I don't know. That's why you gotta check. It's closer to the darker gray, and you'll also get a feel for it. Might be up here, but it might be right here. You see what I'm saying? So play with it. Flirt with that girl a little bit. You know what I mean? She's so sexy. What's this?
Hola.
And you could also hear the preview. Hola. And these breaths matter too. Make sure you got that click on it. That mouse. That matters.
All I need is all I.
And sometimes it's not snapped in the middle. Sometimes you don't want it in the middle.
All I need is all I need is one. All I need is one more.
All right. So you guys catch my drift. Literally my Melodyne drift. Man, I'm showing y'all my business right now. I'm putting my business out there. The single's fire though. I'm literally I'm doing the whole remixing for this video. The song's already ready for pre-save right now.
All I need is one more chance.
All right, so we'll stick with that for now. And then I'm gonna turn on the meta tune. I'm gonna make sure that minor hold is on. Let's hear.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All I need is one more chance.
Now I heard that all I need.
All I need.
It's probably because it's not.
All I need is all I need is one more chance.
Y'all like that? How I did that on purpose, huh? I had to leave something in there to fix for you guys to, you know. Now let's do it again.
Whoa, 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 whoa. All I need is one more chance. Now you.
All right, so I mean, what? I could keep this going. I'll do it right here, all right? In the last video, I did this part, I believe. Edit with Melodyne. So if you were to, you know, just so you guys, I want to make sure you guys know what's going on. Also, hit the like button, subscribe button. I appreciate the love for it. So I know, now you know.
Now you know that you.
Now you. So it's the same note. Now you know.
Now you know that we. Now you know that we gotta turn.
Gotta.
Now you know that we gotta turn. Now you know that we gotta turn this thing around.
As you can see, some of these notes, I was on point. I was in my bag. You know what I'm saying? I had that tea. I know this might read frap, but wifey put some tea in it. You know, they in the glass. They keep it warm. So make sure when you're doing your singing, have some tea there, especially if you sing in the morning like me.
Around. Now you know that we gotta turn this thing around. We gotta keep going up.
Now, what's beautiful about Metatune is you don't need Melodyne. But what's beautiful about Melodyne and Metatune is that it makes you sound like Chris freaking Brown. You know what I'm saying? It make you sound like you that. But I was kind of in my bag. I was in my bag on these notes. Ain't much to tweet. Now that intro was horrible. I give you that.
We gotta keep going up. Can't let.
Don't let these notes slip away from you. That's what they try to do. Now, like I said, there is an automatic way to do this, but I don't want to rely on that.
We gotta keep going up, can't let them bring us down.
Baby, just give me one more. Now you guys gotta listen to the single when it comes out. I'm not gonna play it all, but I'm just showing y'all. By now, I could look at my notes.
Bring us, baby, just give me one more.
One more.
Me one more chance.
One more.
Me one more chance.
See, I naturally had that chance. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's all I'm going to give y'all. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys really like this video, like I said, please subscribe. Please like. It really helps the algorithm. It shows YouTube that, yo, this guy's doing something good for these Studio One users. Not a lot of people out here doing tutorials on Studio One. If you guys want me to keep these things going, go ahead and subscribe. Now, one thing also is, like I said in my last video, I don't really get a chance to really be on YouTube like that because of my schedule. So I'm going to drop another video after this. I'm going to be wearing the exact same outfit. I'm going to go to the next topic. I'm just going through a list of you guys' requests, and I'm going to get busy. So you guys stay with me. Tune in for the next video. It's all love. Appreciate it. I'm gone.